Yo guys, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Oraimo. We're back again today with another great and amazing tech video. The video of today is all about the Oraimo SpaceBox kinda mini. Not kinda, but it's mini. To be honest, this kind of speaker captured my attention because of its own kind of design, since we checked out the SpaceBox, the bigger bad boy, which had bigger watts, but this one, it's really incredible. It's like that kind of mini version of the speaker. So if you don't prefer that bigger speaker, you can just go with this one. So it's really good. So we're gonna be unboxing it, checking it out, what's so special inside, and the sound, so how it is and the design wise. And I think we're gonna jump into our conclusion. So enough of me talking, let's get started. So guys, here we have it. This is our bad boy, as you can see it, and we're gonna be unboxing. Okay, I don't need my knife right now. Seems to be really great on unboxing. We just peel out this kind of stuff. I thought that I need my knife, you know what I mean? But yeah, really great. And this is how it is on the box inside. You're having your speaker over there and some kind of branded kind of stuff. Okay, keep it aside, keep my speaker somewhere here, and we are having your paperwork in here. So this is your paperwork, as you can spot it. Really cool, showcasing you how you can use your speaker. And I think you can download the application throughout Oraimo, so as you can pair with your speaker. So this is our bad boy, as you can spot it. Nothing else left on the box. Oh, I forgot something. So I was skeptical. This kind of part, whenever you unbox it, don't throw this away because they kept the cables here. So let's check out what's inside the cable. This is quite interesting. I thought that we are done. They're not giving us cable right now, but it's, oh, lanyard, nice. I like that. So you're getting the cable here. This is a USB-C to USB, and you're getting this kind of lanyard kind of cable, which is quite interesting. And we're having this kind of speaker. This is our bad boy here. Really cool, nice design. I kind of like it. This is like plastic kind of finish, really quite not bad. So it has a really nice kind of finish throughout here. It reminds me of that kind of Oraimo Palm speaker. If you remember it, we checked it out last time. It's so portable and minimal. So throughout here, do not pull apart the rubber below the speaker. Okay, so don't put apart this kind of rubber below the speaker. And there you go. This is your charging kind of port, as you can spot it. Charging port and micro SD kind of support, which is really good. And here it's your power. I guess this is the power. Did they keep the power somewhere here underneath? Okay, that's quite interesting. I thought that it's on top, but it's just somewhere here. And it has like RGB. You can spot it. The RGB goes around, and yeah, since I'm shooting the video in daylight, so you can spot it there. And the Bluetooth is here, wanting me to pair. Right now, we're going to be testing the sound throughout the Oraimo SpaceBox Mini. Another kind of quick stuff which I noticed, the moment I press this 2x button, this kind of button here, what happens, it switches to FM radio. But when you press it again, it switches back to Bluetooth mode. The sound quality, quite not bad. Really interesting. And we're at the max volume. So it's really heavy bass. So if you customize throughout the equalizer, you can get more option on the flowing of the power through this kind of speaker. Really interesting. So guys, for precaution, this kind of speaker is not waterproof, because some of you guys might be getting a little bit crazy and use it throughout the water. Don't throw it on the water. This is not a waterproof kind of speaker. It's just that it's a normal speaker which you can use it throughout day-to-day basis. So yeah. So guys, jumping through the conclusion on the Oraimo SpaceBox Mini. It's called SpaceBox, but this is a mini version of this bigger SpaceBox. They have the same identical kind of design, which is really impressive. Sound quality through this kind of bad boy offers you 8 watts. On the playtime, it lasts for max volume for 5 hours, which is quite decent, not bad. The medium side, on the volume part, it lasts for almost 16 hours, but I know it's just 5 hours for playtime, which is quite decent. So it's really great. I kind of like it. It has a really nice design. It offers you the memory card card kind of section whereby you can just keep your memory card over here. It has a USB Type-C. It has those kind of bunch of features which you'll prefer to get to any kind of speaker out there, which is in a budget range. And this kind of speaker, it's really on a budget range, and it's such an amazing speaker to just carry it around, play with it, going with it somewhere. It's like an outdoor kind of speaker. If we're going to be comparing this kind of speaker with the Soundcore speaker, which we checked it out last time, Go 4, it's really quite different to that. They're almost like the same. Like, you can just, since it has a lanyard, you can just keep it on your bag or just keep it somewhere so as you can use it throughout your day-to-day basis. But overall, such an amazing speaker from Oraimo, and I really give it a go to check it out. It's really impressive, and the sound quality, it's actually decent. So thank you guys for watching. If you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. I really appreciate on that. And last but not least, if you're new here, hit that like, hit that share, and up to the next one. Stay tuned for more tech videos. Yes, sir.